Hi everyone, this is Samantha from SPO Resources. In this video, I'll show you how to use my PowerPoint template to create your own custom book bin labels. I'll be working with the English genre labels, but you can follow the same steps for the Spanish or bilingual versions too. You'll find the links to all of these products in the description below. The template is located in the Design Your Own Labels folder. You can open it right here. First thing that you can do is change the background color. To do this, you will right-click the background, click Format Background, and then you can change the color here. You can also change the color of the text and insert the text of your choice. I'm going to make a food label, so I will take food, and since food is a bit smaller, I'm also going to increase the font size. Now you'll be able to insert your image. So I'm going to show you two different ways that you can insert an image. One, you can insert an image from your desktop by just going to Insert, Pictures, Pictures from File. I'm going to insert this strawberry. Another option is I'm going to duplicate this slide. You can do Insert, Icon. PowerPoint has a lot of different icons that you could use as images. So I'm going to type in food, and I'll use this pretzel. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color by going to Format Graphic, and I'll make it yellow. So then I'll also change this to the yellow, and I'll make my background yellow. Okay, so that is how you design the cards. I also have the options for the black and white ones. You can choose to use without a border or with a border. Now to save them, you're going to want to go to File, Export. Your file format is going to be PNG. You can choose to save every slide if you've designed several and want to save them all at the same time, or if you've only worked on one, you would do Save Current Slide Only. To export high quality images, you want to make sure that you have set your width to 2,550 and your height to 850 or higher before exporting. So I'm just going to do Save Current Slide Only and Export. Once you do that, it'll save it as a PNG image. Now you can use the customizable templates to choose what size you want to print your labels in. So I'm going to make these large labels. So I'll open this template and I'll go here, and then I'm just going to change the picture from a file. Okay, once you've done that, then they are ready to print. So I can delete these pages, and then I'm going to File, Save As a PDF. Okay, and these are now in a PDF format and ready to print. Using this template is perfect for keeping your library cohesive when you need a label that isn't in the original set. Check the description for the pre-made labels. The template shown in the video comes with every set and is styled to match. You've got this. I can't wait to see your library.